Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you to make $300 daily. Go to RadioEarn.com. As you can see, this website will help you to earn money by listening to radio. Scroll down. Here you will see how it works. It's simple, fast, and then you earn money. Step 1. Sign up. Create a free account on RadioEarn.com. It's 100% free. Step 2. After registration you can log in and see your account. Step 3. Start radio or use API. Start earning by click/open on your radio links. You can also use our live API for your website if you wish that your user listen for you. Step 4 is earn and payout. Every 15 minutes you get points. This points will convert it at the following month to USD. The USD you can pay out via bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift cards or Bitcoin, BTC. Scroll down. This website has great features you'll love. RadioEarn has high compatibility. All browsers that supports HTML5 audio can start earning. Newest codecs for lowest traffic. Only 32-bit/s for audio streaming with highest quality. RadioEarn has best placed ads. The ads in the audio stream depends on your location or your user and will give you the highest eCPM. Over 35 countries are supported. You can style your radio. A much of options and functions for styling your radio and design. All real-time and live. RadioEarn has detailed statistics and API. You see always in real time all your statistics, radios, and your API. Simple for everyone. RadioEarn has simple system. Stable point exchange and much of security systems for you and our partners. According to earning and payout. You earn in live time and your converted points in USD you can every time simple payout via PayPal. Scroll down and you will see all frequently asked questions and make sure you read them in order to understand well how this website works. In order to create an account you need to click on Sign Up Now. And you will be redirected to this page where you need to fill your username, first name, last name, enter your email, create your password. At the end click on Register. You will now going to be redirected to this page which is your dashboard and all you need is to go and click on Start Earning then click on Listen Radio. You will now be redirected to this page where you can see different radios you can listen to. Click on Radio 1. And then play this radio. You need to listen to this radio until the required seconds are reached and then you will earn points which will going to be converted in money. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.